Hey friends, I'm normally not a sweet cocktail kind of guy. I usually prefer a wine or a beer, but this is one I do enjoy. We're of course talking about the Dark and Stormy. Now having a fancy drink is nice, but knowing how to make a concise 3-ingredient powerhouse of a cocktail is a fantastic weapon to have in your arsenal. Now the Dark and Stormy is a simple spiced rum and ginger beer cocktail. Now here's the kicker. It is a trademarked cocktail, meaning that to make it a Dark and Stormy, you have to use the company's product, which is Gosling's Black Seal rum. Fortunately, it is a good rum. We're going to start with a 12-ounce highball glass. All right, so let's get started by icing our glass first. You can make this the really easy way, which is just everything just mixed together, but I feel like it presents better as a layered drink. And that's the way I make it for my friends when I have them over for barbecues. Quick note, don't use ginger ale, use ginger beer. That's going to give you a much zippier flavor. To make this in the layered style, I'm gonna go about up to here with the ginger beer. Okay, now if you go according to Gosling, they say it's their rum plus the ginger beer, lime optional. In my personal view, lime should be mandatory because here's why. You got the warming spices of the dark rum, you got the sweetness of the ginger beer, and I feel like to balance the drink out perfectly, the citrus really makes this drink what it is. So I like to take an entire half lime and squeeze it into the drink. And then we are going to take our rum and slowly pour it like that. Obviously, if you're just at home watching The Real Housewives, it doesn't really matter, but if you got some friends over, you can cut a lime wheel like this and make a slit from the middle to the outer part and then garnish it like that. And there we have the Dark and Stormy. So simple and so delicious. This is one of the few sweet cocktails that I like to enjoy myself. This presents well, but you can probably see there's a problem here if you're serving this to a guest. If you take a straight drink from the top, you're gonna get pretty much straight alcohol. If you give them a straw and it goes all the way to the bottom, all you're gonna get is the lime juice and ginger beer. So what I recommend is serving it with something that your guests can stir the drink together once they receive it. If you don't want to use straws, then these are fantastic. This is a bamboo pick, and your guests can just simply put it in there and stir it and mix the drink together, and they're good to go. All right, friends, cheers. Lovely.